shine to see all that I want to see. A major force in my head, reflections. I caught a heart on the 7 seas, filled with these memories. I let it go, it's not my own.
Good afternoon, everyone. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all here today on behalf of Natasha and Gareth on this very happy and special occasion as we celebrate their marriage.
The nighttime, it starts. The nighttime, it starts. I'm seeking stars, seeking stars. I'm seeking stars, seeking stars.
So firstly, on behalf of my gorgeous wife and me, thank you so much for coming. Genuinely, thanks so much.
Seeking stars inside of the sun. I caught a heart on the 7 seas, filled with these memories. I let it go, it's not my own, it don't soar. The nighttime, it starts.
So Natasha, you know, as everyone will agree, and always does, you look absolutely stunning today. You always have, and you always do. But just today, just blew my mind. You were just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm good.
Seeking stars, seeking stars. I'm seeking stars.
Do you, Gareth Breslin, take Natasha Hodgins to be your wife, to share in a relationship of love, tenderness and laughter, to confide in and to trust above all others, to respect and stand by her in everything as an equal partner, but above all else to love and cherish her?
I do.
I'm trying to encourage To you, Natasha Hodgins, take Gareth Breslin to be your husband, to share in a relationship of love, tenderness and laughter, to confide in and to trust above all others, to respect and stand by him in everything as an equal partner, but above all else to love and cherish him.
I do.
I, Gareth,
Take you, Natasha,
take you, Natasha,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
And with this ring,
And with this ring,
I marry you
I marry you
and join my life to yours.
and join my life to yours.
I, Natasha,
I, Natasha,
take you, Gareth,
take you, Gareth,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
And with this ring,
And with this ring,
I marry you
I marry you
and join my life to yours.
and join my life to yours.
The nighttime, it starts. The nighttime, it starts. The nighttime, it starts. The nighttime, it starts.
I'll leave you with 3 bits of advice for your new life as a married man. The 3 S's. Stand up for your wife when she tells you to. Speak up for your wife when she tells you to. And finally, shut up for your wife when she tells you to.
Held in heaven's divine, and you remind
by the power invested in me by the state, I am delighted to pronounce you husband and wife. You might like to seal that with a kiss.
My eyes were filled with wonder, my heart was filled with peace. Captured by the mystery, it's all that I could see. Take me back to the garden and dance with me.
And oh, my heart grows from the place my spirit knows. It's the longing of my soul to find a place I once called home.
Now, clearly, Natasha, you make Gareth happy in a way I never could. And in a way I never actually would. I think we can all agree that Natasha looks absolutely beautiful today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, raise your glasses, please, for the new Mr. and Mrs. Gareth Breslin.
Back to the garden where it all
And can we have an absolutely huge round of applause for the very first time this evening for the new Mr. and Mrs. Breslin!
we were walking hand in hand. My eyes were filled with wonder, my heart filled with peace. Lost in the mystery, it's all that I could see. Take me back to the garden. Take me back to the garden. Take me back to the garden.
Take me back to the garden
And dance with me.